And that, my friends, was just a little glimpse of what's to come. Yo, what is up, my friends? Long time no see. Unless that's not true, in which case disregard that. I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. I'm gonna take my mother to go meet Bret Hart in about 2 months. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen my other video, or if I just haven't uploaded it in the correct order. I met the Hardy Boys. You know, at this point, I actually still don't think I even uploaded me going to Monday Night Raw either. I am making what's that called? A blazer inspired by the Hitman. Got a little star action going on over here. Got a little heart action going on over here. These are fake pockets. And then on the collar, we got some hearts going on. I'm gonna write Hitman here, Rocket here, and this side is gonna be white. I'm thinking maybe put a star here and a star here inverted, so maybe do a white star with a black line and do the opposite of that over here. Yes, we got it. I have finished this. It's just been sitting like this. I also did a little bit of drafting. Started out doing like a huge draft, but that's fucking huge for no reason. So anyway, event is June 10th. Kind of trying to figure out what I want to get autographed, since you can't really buy the photo without the autograph, and I was like, well, I don't really need the autograph, but might do that CD thing, might do one of my old school magazines that I got. Either way, I'll keep you posted. This is our back progress so far. I stayed up many hours for this, Bret. That's Radiant Orchid, because I know you cannot fucking see that. So I'm gonna put that in here and mix it with some conditioner to give us a little heart foundation paint. My Radiant Orchid's pretty old, so kinda hoping that's still gonna saturate fully there. I think the green is looking fucking nice. And we got some pit alright, anyway, we got some pit action going on there. I bleached the other side as well. We're gonna do a different color on this side. So my ma got her program of, I believe, 1994, maybe SummerSlam or King of the Ring or something like that, you know? Which is good, because that's the thing that she decided, hey, I'll get this signed. I did mix this with conditioner a little bit just so that it wouldn't get too dark purple. If you remember, like, my Colored Rain review video, that is the color. That's maybe like a more faded version of the color that I'm using, but I didn't dilute that, so hopefully, again, diluting this will give me a little bit more of a heart foundation pink. Pretty sure that I finished the blazer. Not positive, because a bitch likes to change their mind a lot, but I will be showing you that once I try on the whole fit. It's currently January 8th, I'm hoping. If it was the 9th, I don't know, I'd be freaking out. I just said January, bitch. It's June 8th. The fuck is June 8th. That's how you know it's 4 in the morning right now, so let me just... Yo, what is up, my friends? It is the day of, and I am re-dyeing my pit because it did not come out as pink as I wanted it to. But we had a different dye, which is the same one we used to redo this. This is the color it was before, like this more, and this is the color it's about to be. Hopefully that shit is noticeable. We got the outfit in check. We got the hair and the hair dye for me and mama in check. I got some Dracar sitting on the side waiting for me to smell all nice and everything. I am almost at the end of Bret's book. It's been a very interesting read. I'm on page 531. I've taken this thing every fucking where with me. I mean, I brought it to the beach twice. I fucking fell in the middle of the road with it. That shit saved my life. Hopefully my mom has a good time at the show. So she put her little color street nails on me. Just one finger. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. I'm that excited. Hopefully I'm not running behind like I was with the Hardys, because I'm sorry, Mr. fucking Hardys, I was slacking. I forgot to tell y'all, I snagged this little baggy bag, this little clear bag. If you live in a state where you need to have a clear bag, like concert and shit like that, because I don't know why certain states just be like that, hit the Dollar Tree. I can't use most of my string bags no more because they're all from fucking like 2016 Warped Tour, so you know that shit's shredded up by now. I'm about to go pick me up a little chaser mics to mix with my little Hennessy that I got going on. Because bitch, a bitch is 21, so. And if you seen my old Boston video hanging out with Cammie a couple years ago, no the fuck you didn't. Because bitch, I was like 19. Don't worry, we ain't on that E&J shit no more. No more. All right, y'all, so remember the part where I was like, haha, I'm not gonna be running late this time. I'm not gonna disrespect Bret like that. Well, I'm not running late because I planned to run late. So like, okay, first the fit, like, all right, we got a little packing going on because we're trying to look, you know, we're trying to confuse the masses, and I think that's what's gonna happen here. My mustache is kind of giving Effie vibes. I was also thinking maybe it might be smarter to have him sign this. That would be more original, more one of a kind. But we'll see. I'm not running late, I promise. We're not in the line yet, but we're here, bitches, and there was no parking. But makes sense, because it's fucking summer, because when there was the Hardys, it was fucking winter, and ain't nobody wanted to show up. Remember Santander? I'll have it on video. Remember Santander? We're in the potty, guys, and my mustache is looking really good. She's looking good too, and she has oh my gosh, Bret gonna leave his wife for you. Just kidding, Bret. If you ever see this, I didn't say that. Gangsta mom, y'all. She a fucking gangster right there. Look at her pulling out her cash like that. Some fucking heart and soul up at her. And hoes, we just met Bret Hart. He signed my jacket and he said he loved it, and he said it was a pleasure meeting us, especially her. He said it was a pleasure meeting her. I told them this was my mama over here, and then I told him that I was one of his gay trans fans and that he has some of those. Oh. And a lot of people are liking my jacket. I spent many hours, so they better like it. Look at this. Because I'm a little off the Henny right now. Sorry. No, you're good. I was like, wow, you have big hands. And then I was like, I don't know why I just said that. And he was like, it's because I have big hands. True that, Bret the Hitman Hart. True that. Looks like the show's about to start. Look at the turnout of fans, bitch.
Because for the first time ever, Big Time Wrestling is producing a live event for a streaming service you may have heard of. It's called Fight TV. Yeah. Taco Bell tips to get admission to see Mr. T.A.'s.
I don't have a job, bitch!
Do not chant T.A. sucks. We've changed the whole landscape of tag team wrestling, okay?
Alright, bitches. It's the end of the show. Show's over, motherfuckers. Listen, I didn't think anybody could beat the Hardy Boys out in how good the show was, but they motherfucking did. The drugs from my generation. Anyways, guys, we didn't get to stalk Bret Hart after the show. I read about his serious fucking stalker problem at the end of his story, so I'm joking. It's a joke. But damn, they were all so good. It was so funny because I feel like people were just cheering for both sides. I love matches where people cheer for both sides. I don't know if they're both supposed to be baby faces or one of them's heel, but they're both came across as baby faces tonight, bitch. That was working. Yo, what is up, my friends? I am not bald. I'm just giving Teletubby vibes. Yesterday was amazing. Probably fucked up the last time I talked to you, but I'll have to go back in the videos and maybe I'm lying. My mom had a wonderful time, which was really what mattered since I technically got this for her birthday. Because as you know, I already met the Hardy Boys for my birthday. Listen, that tax money, it was paying the bills. It was paying the bills, girl. Wanted to give you guys a better look and me get a better look now that I'm not fucked up. Wow, we really got the finishing touch. I said some crazy things to Bret. I'm not going to share everything, but the most interesting things that I said was, well, I did tell him about like reading his book. Really enjoyed every moment of it. He proceeded to tell me how it was like his biggest accomplishment right there, and I'm like, I know. And I think I was like, yeah, that's why I bookmarked a whole bunch of shit. Like the match that you had with the Dynamite Kid where you said it might have been like the greatest match you two ever worked. And then proceeded to tell him that the green bookmarks were all the times he mentioned gay people. It's fine though, because he was just amused, honestly, the whole time we were talking to him. He didn't react badly at all. He connected with us pretty well. Like, it wasn't like a super generic experience or anything. It felt really personal. I was kind of teeter-tottering anyways, but I was like, oh, can you actually sign my blazer? I was like, sure, like, where do you want me to sign it? You know, like, kind of moving his hand, like, here, 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 type of thing. I saw, but, like, that's the side that has, like, the Owen thing on it, that says Rocket on it, versus, like, the Hitman side. I was like, oh, should I take it off? Would that be easier for you? And he said, it might be easier if you keep it on. As I was walking away, I didn't say this to Bret, but like, damn, what did he mean by that? Fucking homophobe. As a joke. I know Bret is not a homophobe. I actually got to meet Brian Pillman Jr. Bitch, what the fuck? He was just sitting at the table by himself, and his tag partner, Brock Anderson, was there. He wasn't there in the moment. Like, we went, found our seats, and then I went back over. I was like, huh, can I just walk up to him and just ask him for a picture? A little inebriated enough to feel comfortable doing that, so I did. The first thing I said to him when I walked up, I was like, I fucking love your mullet. You know, I know a little bit about mullets. Well, I mentioned that I was like a lapsed wrestling fan, and then proceeded to say like, oh, but I really like your work and I liked your father's work too and everything like that. It was really sweet, honestly, but he was pretty chill. And then I was like, how much to take a picture with you? And he was just like, oh, like 20 bucks. And I was like, 20 bucks? And then he laughed a little. I was like, 20 bucks? Only 20 bucks? I was like, of course. I was like, good, because listen, we ain't no rich bitches up in here, so I was willing to hurt my wallet a little bit, but $20, that's not that bad. Like, I hurt my wallet a little bit, but it's not that bad. Like, the thing is, I'm like one of those people, I try to be super respectful of people, even with like celebrities and shit. If I take like a picture with you, unless it seems like you want me to do something specifically, like, I'm not gonna touch you. It's like he put his hand on the upper part of my back because he's taller than me, you know. I'm only like fucking 5'2", and I was like, wow. And I just put my hand on his back. I was like, that's awesome. I don't really know why I needed to include that. I just prefaced why I included it, but you get the point. Oh, fuck it, yeah, I met Brian Pillman Jr. too. FTR was there. They were a really big hit. I didn't go over and meet them just because I think I was like, the line is real long. I just didn't feel the need to go over and meet them. And again, Brian Pillman Jr., he was just sitting over there chilling, minding his own motherfucking business. I was like, all right. I was like, you going through some hard times right now, I'll give you some $20. The afterward update. Thanks for taking this journey with me, and this is definitely going to take a while to come out because it will be edited much shorter. This segment right now of me talking is already almost 7 minutes long, so just be prepared that this is going to take a long time to come out.